Hello everyone, welcome to 3D Wings. Today, I'll show you how I used Unreal Engine 5 to produce these kinds of sky views, and it's really simple to make. In fact, I'll walk you through the entire process, so watch the entire video. Create an empty level with night view for better view of our sky shots or fireworks. Now, create a new folder, name it as a Skyshots, and open it and make another folder for our Niagara System. Now right-click, pick the Niagara System, look for the fountain, pick it, and then click Create. Name it as Skyshots NS and open the Niagara file. This is our Niagara System's interface, and rename it from Fountain to Skyshot. Now go to the properties and enable the local space. When this checkbox is enabled, it indicates that the emitter will simulate particles in local space. After that, decrease the spawn rate from 90 to 3, which would give the less number of rockets. Even reduce the gravity force value to a random value, which will provide the greatest results for you. Now go to the sprite renderer. Change the alignment to velocity aligned. Proceed to the initialized particle and alter the rocket's color and event size. We also need to alter the Skyshot's life. Follow the steps. We will use the velocity to modify the rocket's speed and area since our sky shots are not moving properly. Change the cone angle to about 60 to spread the rocket's more area, and we will increase the speed of the rocket by changing the values. These are all depends on you, so change according to your requirement. These outputs are completely depends on your settings. It's all trial and error method, so try until you get the better results. We're happy with our sky shot, so we'll move on to the sky shot's noise. It's a flowing pattern for our rocket, so let's create that. Now, just duplicate the sky shot by pressing the Ctrl+D. After that, rename it to Skyshot's noise. Now, just delete the unwanted things from this by simply selecting those. Select the Skyshots properties and enable the requires persistent IDs, and add the event handler for the both Skyshot and noise, and follow my steps. Go to the particle update and search for the generate location event. It will help to move our Skyshots noise on the same path as the rocket. It will works like a tracking. Now, select the Skyshots noise and change the event handler properties in the source section. Select the location event to track the rockets. Change the execution mode to spawned particles, and change the spawn number. Now add the receive location event. You can see our noise is visible now. Change the location event version to 1.0. Increase the spawn count to 5. Decrease the intensity around 80, and make sprite size mode to random uniform and change the values. Follow my steps. I will change the values to make the better results. I think it's looking good, so we will move to the next step. Now add the scale sprite size. Its module multiplies the particle's sprite size, usually set in the initialize particle module, by a scaling factor, which is often a curve over the particle's age, or some other variable. To say simply, it is used to dynamically adjust the size of sprite particles over their lifetime. You can see I'm changing this sprite size frequently to get the better rocket noise, so change the settings according to your requirement. Now add the curl noise force. It is used to add swirling, twisting, or chaotic movement. Certainly it creates more natural motion in things like fire, smoke, mist, sparks, magical effects, etc. Now adjust the settings for better results. Now, we have to create the bang effect like bursting of the fireworks. For that, just duplicate the Skyshot by pressing Ctrl plus D and rename it as Skyshot Bang. I'm going to remove the velocity as we don't need it. Next, find the velocity from the point. Sorry, but the only way we can alter the velocity from point in these is to modify it to linear from point. We must add the create death event here and go to the bang, deleting the location event that will get the death event here. This is because we are going to use the death event, which is used to kill the particle after a specific amount of time. Simply turning on the gravity force helps in the burst particles falling effect. If it is turned off, you can see particles are falling down. It looks nice, just adjust the setting to look even more better. It looks nice, but we have to change the color of the burst particles. It's looking very odd. Go to the Niagara setting and change the color. You can see we can change any color you like. It will be very realistic. It's better now, but we have to add the few particles around the burst. For that, you should go to the Niagara settings, just duplicate the bang particles by pressing Ctrl plus D and change the few settings like color and sprite size. See the difference from before? It's looking good. Now add one more particle by duplicating to give more attraction and change the settings. Even you can add more particles. Now we will add noise particles for our burst. Go to the Skyshot noise, duplicate it, and follow my steps for detailed procedure. It's good now. We will move to the next step. We need to give the smoke effect for our rocket. For that, we have to create the material of the smoke particles. I will give the link in the description. Download the texture from there. Duplicate the Skyshot noise and rename it, and apply the material which we created before. Change the few settings for the smoke effect. We have to try every settings. We have to change the every values, then only we will get better outputs. you can see these are finest fireworks which we have created. As you can see from the Disney movie opening, from small clip you can use these techniques to produce that kind of fireworks. I hope the video is enjoyable. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.